Okay, let's go again. So pisher. Let's try and just play something like I know. Just try and get some confidence if I can just get out of the opening alive. If I play for D5 now, so something like Bishop G5 and Knight E3. Maybe I could take there. C3 and D4 at some point. If I take immediately, or Bishop E3, I don't know. No, let's take that. Give up the donks by Bishop. Just play for C3, and if I can just play for D4 or right. So G4 here. Is that too loosening? Or King H2? Is that better? King H2. King H2. So just trying to clamp down these light squares. I think D5 is a bit of a problem, so maybe Rook E1 as well. Just try and stop D5. That's happened anyway. If I play, I don't know, Knight E3 here. Maybe Knight H4 or something, or C4. C4 playable. D4 or E4 could look bad. This diagonal could be pretty bad as well. Like Queen C2 first, or Knight H4. Knight H4 first. G5, Knight G6. There's also D4 to consider. Alright, something. Queen. Alright, let's try Queen C2. Not to lose too much time here. Mind you, I think there's almost Bishop H3. Bishop takes, I'm attacking the Queen. So I don't know. Rook D1. Knight H4. Is there a plan here just to maybe loosen E5? Rook E2 and Rook E1. If D4, maybe I can just take a Knight C4. CD, Knight D4, Knight takes. That's Knight C4. Try this. Okay. Right, so in this position, if it takes Knight D4, I could be getting murdered, I guess. But I think I have to probably accept that position. So Knight D4, Queen D1. At least the knight's kind of good at the moment. On E3, but he's not done that. Just Bishop G2 here, and I don't know, is there anything stronger? So Rook F2, maybe King G1 here. So this knight on D4 is a bit of a menace. So I'll try and get this rook away. So Knight C4 attacking the rook, attacking E5. Okay, king position is getting weakened. Is it fatal? That looks pretty dire. So what about Rook E4? Try and save position a bit. King safety at least. So it takes, there's Queen G4 here maybe. So Queen H4, Bishop F6. This is like torture, isn't it? Knight takes, I could just lose a piece. I don't know. Looks dire, so let's try this. Takes, yeah, that's a good point as well. Play rook F1 here. Bishop D3, looks like this is lost as well. This isn't a good start to today either. Oh dear. Time to resign that one. Seem to be on a losing streak at the moment. And the auto pairing is not getting much easier either, it seems. Anyway. This looks like, yeah, it's just too passive. I just totally underestimated. Rook takes F3. And it's all downhill after that. That's brutal. Oh dear, oh dear. Maybe I can salvage one win today in the next game, we'll see. There's still that tension that I can get one win out today. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.